So it's become very apparent that people don't understand the movement of bull market cycles. All right. They don't understand that just because you're in a bull market cycle does not mean that the chart moves straight up and to the right. All right. That's typically not until you get into post halving, alt season, later bull market. That's when we have the most explosive times. All right. So people are a little obviously bummed in the movement of SHIB right now. Guys, it is what it is. But I will have you guys reference this. When we look at this chart and what's playing out right now, obviously we have our nice retracement candle here in January for BTC. This is not uncommon from what we've seen in the past. If you guys have followed me here on the channel for a while, you know I've referenced 2016 a bunch. I think we're very much on pace with what we experienced back in 2016 in the bull market there. You can see that as we closed 2015 and began 2016, we had that retracement candle in January. We had 4 months of green, that we had this retracement, and that's really what kicked us into this full-on bull run. All right. Now, when we look at what we're experiencing right now, we had 4 months of green, nice climb for BTC. We have our retracement candle in January, and then there are likely much better times. Remember, we're going through this shuffle, this transition in spot ETFs. Right now, there's some fear in the market, and it is what it is. But the funny thing is if you lay 2016's chart over what we're experiencing currently, it's very much on pace with that. Now, again, during these times, something like SHIB and most other alts, they're not quite in that major gain mode yet. Okay. Bull market cycle is just when you see this complete flip in the overall direction of the market. We're in a bullish scenario now. You can see we had 4 straight months of green. We're multiple months above that 20-month moving average. That's what confirms the bull market. Okay. Now, retracements, they happen in the bull market. It's not straight up and to the right. Okay. So when we look at SHIB price, don't expect right now straight up and to the right. Retracements are in the game. This, I believe, is still the opportunity time. This is still where we have an unnatural chance to accumulate bigger positions at lower prices, which is great, right? Now, again, it's not until you get post Bitcoin halving, not until you guys can see what happens here, right? You get some kind of weird retracement consolidation. Even you can see it back in the 2020 year, right? The 2020 halving year. You can see we had some consolidation to begin the bull market cycle. Bull market kind of started back here, had a little pump, sideways trading. It wasn't until the halving, post halving, you get some retracement post halving, then you begin alt season. Then you go on massive rip roaring runs. This is where altcoins perform the best. So if I had to make a guess as to when, SHIB is going to begin this run, it's post halving. All right. We may consolidate for a short time here. We should climb into the halving, gain some dominance against BTC, feel some fall against BTC post halving. And within, a month to 3 months following that, that's when we should begin to gain major dominance. That's when we should move through some of those liquidity levels easier. That's the whole point I've been trying to preach. It's the reason why I've said that we have to temper our expectations, be patient. These cycles, they take time to play out. And right now, people are getting frustrated with SHIB before we even get into the most explosive times in crypto, when we have mass adoption, when there's major people or major amounts of capital flowing in, major use case adoption, things like that, right? The most exciting times for crypto are ahead. You just have to make it through the early bull market cycle. Early bull market cycle, guys, not the most exciting. It's exciting. It's more exciting than the bear market, but it's not even close to as exciting as the full-on alt season, late bull market. Those times are in fact coming. So I appreciate you guys. As always, this is not financial advice. For the people that have questions, it's all about patience. Let the cycle play out. If you bought at the prior all-time high, you can always do what you want. But guess what? The most explosive times are still, basically probably 6 to 18 months, 6 to 18 months away. All right. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Show your support below. Have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.